Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a WordPress website on Bluehost. First, you will need to establish your Bluehost account. Begin by selecting a hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements. Many plans offer a free domain for the initial 12 months. Next, choose a memorable domain name for your site. Finally, complete the straightforward registration process by entering your contact and payment details to secure your hosting and domain. Once your Bluehost account is active, the next step is installing WordPress. Log into your Bluehost dashboard and locate the Websites or My Sites tab. Bluehost simplifies this with a one-click WordPress installation feature. Simply click to start, then provide your desired site title and select the domain where WordPress will be installed. The system handles the technical setup, making it incredibly easy to get started in just a few moments. After WordPress is installed, it is time for initial configuration. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard using the username and password you established. Navigate to the general settings to define your site's title and add a concise tagline, which helps describe your website. Then, explore the extensive WordPress theme library to select a design that best suits your brand and aesthetic, giving your site its unique look. With your theme in place, you are ready to customize and launch. Install essential plugins to enhance functionality, such as security measures and search engine optimization tools. Begin creating key pages like About Us and Contact, populating them with compelling content. Take time to thoroughly review your entire website to ensure everything looks and functions perfectly. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your new WordPress site live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.